This is Dan Gritsko, and I'm in Austin, Texas. There's a waterfowl that's over there. I'm not sure exactly what it is. Keeps going underwater, looking for stuff. There's a pretty spot here. You can see over toward downtown Austin. Very, very nice here along the waterfront. Caleb, what's this body of water called?
This is Ladybird Lake.
Ladybird Lake. Y'all getting your exercise in here.
We're stretching before we work out.
Very nice place to come and enjoy the beauty of God's creation right here in downtown Austin, and looking at a turtle swim on by right here. Right now there's a turtle. Seeing him right below there. Very cool painted turtle, water turtle. One of the amazing creatures that God has created. See you later, turtle.